Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and this is the Beginner's Guide Part 2, in which we will explore the Edit section in our Google Drawing. With this point, we will move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, how to make a paste without formatting, how to delete, how to make a duplicate, how to use select all feature, how to use find and replace option in our Google Drawing. Now let's move into Google Drawing and see how every point work in detail. Now we are in Google Drawing. In earlier video, I have talked about the file section in detail. If you haven't watched that, kindly watch that. You will learn a lot. Now we will talk about the edit section. When you click on edit section, you will see all those points which I have told you in objectives that we will cover today. Now, before doing or going into all these things, let me make changes into our earlier drawing so that we can undo or redo. Now, let me make a text box here. This is red box. Now, I want one here. This is yellow box. Now I have made two changes. Now I want to undo the change that I have done. That means I want to undo the process. In that case, I will click on undo. Now you will see it just replaced. Again, click on Ctrl Z, which is a keyboard shortcut for undo. I can go back to what I have done earlier. Again, 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 again. Now we go back to the position where we earlier was when we inserted the text box in red box. So you can also, like, if you have undone the process, you can redo the process. That means you want to go forward. Earlier in the undo process, we goes backward. Again, we click on edit and go to the redo. Again, it is Control Y. Now click on Control Y, Control Y, Control Y, Control Y, Control Y, again Control Y, again. Now you can see this is the final result that we left with, because now we have just undone earlier undone the process. Now it's redone. So now we go back to the position where we earlier was. Now after this we have another option, cut copy paste. Now cut copy is not working because we haven't selected anything. Now let me select this. Now this is selected. I will cut this. Click on edit, cut. Now you will see it has been removed because it has been cut from our drawing. Now if we want to paste, then click on Ctrl V. Now you will get the same thing that you have earlier, because that was cut, now it is paste. Now if you want a duplicate of this, now you just have to Control C. That will make a copy of this, and now you have to make a paste. Now you will see it's exactly same thing that has been generated through this process. Now you can see this is the copy of this red with this arrows. Now after this we have another option, paste without formatting. So this process is used when you paste something that you do not want to make a format. So in case if you change the format of this and you want the new copy paste work on without, for example, now you want to make a copy of this and want to paste it without the formatting. Like if I make changes into this is red box and make it italics or make it bold, you don't want that. You wanted this in a simple manner. Then you go for paste without formatting. So now you can see it is this is red box because formatting is in our box. So you can easily delete them by just selecting them and click on delete. You will be able to do that. After that we have a delete option which I have just covered. You can delete anything, like I just undo the process so it will get back, or you can delete from here as well. Click in here, after that click on delete. you will be able to delete it, or you can select from your keyboard the button that is available in your keyboard for the delete option. Just click on that, you will be able to delete that portion from your keyboards also. After that, we have a duplicate option. If you want to make a duplicate, now I will select this. Now I will click and duplicate. Now you will see it makes a duplicate. So the copy and paste is exactly same as the duplicate option. So duplication also works in the same way like the copy and paste work, but it's a slight thing difference that in a copy paste you can make the paste without formatting, but in duplicate it will be exactly replicate of the earlier thing. Now you can go into the edit section and click on delete, it will be deleted. Now, selecting this thing is also a complicated thing because you can see I have made changes in a multiple manner. So everything is currently different now. It has not been grouped so that when I click on it, the box only will select it, not the red. When I just remove this, you can see that there is a difference because it hasn't been grouped. That's why everything will not be selected once I click on particular box or particular arrow. In that case, you have to click on select all option. So for that, just click on edit and click on select all. You will be selecting everything that is available in your drawing. So apart from that, you can also use a keyboard shortcut that is Control and A. When you click on that, everything will be selected, and now you can Control X, that will be cut, Control V, that will be paste. So you can do that. After that, we have a find and replace button. So when you click on it, you will see it will find the things that you want to replace. First of all, I want to find this. So this, there are two this. You can see both of them are selected. I want to change it with that. You can replace all. You can see now, in spite of this, there is that. Now, in spite of that, I want this with capital T, replace all. Now you can see we go back to the position where we earlier was by just finding and replacing the thing that is available in our Google Drawing. With this point, I have covered everything in an edit section. If something is left out and if something that you haven't understand, kindly comment in the comment section. We will surely get back to you. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write in the comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video has been anyway, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good and amazing day.